Today I have a stupid easy but crazy good split pea hummus recipe for you. Not difficult to prepare and only takes a few minutes from start to finish, and it's awesome with just about anything. With pitas, crackers, veggies, whatever you like, it will totally work. Very healthy, and it's a real people pleaser. So to start us off, very simply, everything gets done in your food processor, so there's not that much to clean up. I'm going to start with 2 cups of green split peas. Now, you can use the yellow split peas like most Greeks do in terms of their fava, or you can do something like this. Now, here's the thing with this. I've already pre-cooked my split peas. Just do it to whatever the way the instructions are for your own use. What I typically do is I wash or rinse my split peas first, and then I put them on a simmer for about 30 minutes. And that will usually just soften them up perfectly. If you choose the canned split peas, which is totally fine as well, you just eliminate that whole step and you're ready to go right off the bat. So that's that. I'm going to take a little bit of pepper in here as well. I'm going to take some salt. And you can put a couple of good pinches of salt in there. It can handle it. I'm going to take 2 cloves of garlic that I've already peeled. I'm going to take a little bit of red chili flake. I like the heat that they give. This is totally optional. So if you don't want the spice or the heat, that is fine as well. Now, the thing that binds this whole recipe together is 1/3 cup of tahini. And tahini is the sesame paste found in most hummuses. So I'm not that accurate in terms of measurements, so I'm just going to use a measuring cup here for this. Nothing complicated at all. You can even eyeball this, which I typically normally do anyway. All right, so that's 1/3 cup of tahini going in there. That's perfect right there. And one last ingredient that I absolutely need is a little bit of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to start off with about 1/4 cup. Remember, Greeks don't do this tablespoon or 2, BS. We don't do that. I'm going to put a fairly generous amount of about 1/4 cup to start. Just let me throw that on there and just lock and load, baby. Now at this point you want to check for consistency and to make sure that it's not too dry or not too loose. So let me see that. Gorgeous flavor. I think it needs a little bit of more olive oil. So I'm going to bring this up now to about 1/3 cup of my Greek extra virgin olive oil. Put it on there and just whiz it up real quick. There is absolutely nothing to this recipe. That's perfect right there. Absolutely perfect. Nice consistency. Let me try this out now. Leave that there. That's a one. Oh my gosh. That is so delicious. I'm not sure which is actually better. Ooh, there's a little bit of that heat there coming in from the chili flakes. I'm not sure which is better. The original chickpea hummus or this split pea hummus. I'll let you decide for yourself when you make this. So that's it for this quick and easy episode on my split pea hummus. Hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys try this. It's a super, super easy recipe. and a lot of fun to make. You can get together with the kids, the family, whatever, whip this up in no time, and you have a healthy and delicious snack. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. For this recipe and so many others, check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com. And as always, please subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you hit that like button as well. I thank you again for watching. Bye for now.